Birthday boy, God bless you. Come to Guyana to spend your birthday. Nice to have family in Guyana, all the way from America, on your birthday. Not quite too big, but you're getting up there. Don't want to call a number. There's your mixed fried rice. This is a mixed fried rice, mixed lau mein, and a pork fried rice. It's all there. Yeah. And here it was the Dennis Jr. in Guyana, all the way from Canada. Canadian American in the house. On this birthday night, January 23rd. That's your birthday, right?
Yeah.
January 23rd. I'm not gonna call your number, but you know. God bless you. I love you. Enjoy. Guyana. Birthday. I think we having a